All right. Tanya, you have been such a progressive kind of a student. So, on behalf of all our subscribers, we at the Profit Curve, we welcome you to this Stock Talk episode. How are you doing, Tanya? Warm welcome to you.
I'm good, sir. Hope you're doing well too. And thank you so much for this great opportunity and inviting me on your platform.
Okay. No, pleasure is all mine, yeah. You took time out. We are kind of, happy for that. Thank you for taking the time. And so, very quickly, I wouldn't want to ask you your favorite stock because I think we both know the answer to that. We have discussed so much about it. But if you had to pick, first of all, though, how important do you think investment is in your life? How important do you think it is in general?
So, investments are very important as we have seen the scenario of COVID as well.
Hmm.
People, those who were invested prior to this lockdown, have actually sold out their shares and somehow they are at a better place now. But
Right.
then people who didn't invest were actually crumbling and rolling around their jobs, and all those things happened with them.
Hmm.
So I believe investments are very important and crucial, whether you are at a good stage at your current situation or not. But yes, for your future and for the unpredicted things, you should have investments in your life.
Right. Great. And you are one I'm very proud of you, along with other students, that some of you have, you really hit it hard on LinkedIn. How did you manage so many, how many connections, first of all, do you have so far on LinkedIn?
So I've reached 7.5K and growing.
7.5K. Wow. That's
Yeah.
amazing. That's really amazing.
Thank you so much, sir.
You are really connecting with a lot of good people, and I mean, I think your opinion, your the value that you bring to the table, being such a young student and kind of a manager in the making. I don't want to call you students. You're almost there in the corporate world. So if you
Thank you
had
so much,
to,
sir.
pleasure, pleasure, pleasure for having you. First of all, if you had to pick,
This is all a result of your mentorship.
no, no, thank you so much. You're very modest. It is the hard work that you guys put in, yeah, because we keep telling this to everyone, but people who do it, you deserve credit. So if you had to pick, okay, ladies and gentlemen who are watching the show, मैं एक बात बता दूं. When I ask her a favorite stock, I know what's going to be her answer because we have discussed it so many times. But Tanya, from your बोलते हैं ना लक्ष्मी खुद बताए नाम तो अच्छा लगता है. Which is your favorite stock? आप एक बार बता ही दो हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए.
So for me, top three stocks would be Asian Paints, HDFC Bank, as well as Titan.
ओके. एंड उसमें से टॉप फेवरेट, ऑल टाइम फेवरेट, जो आप अपने सबको
All-time
बताएंगे.
favorite is obviously Asian Paints.
Right. So no surprises there, guys. No guesses there because I'm sure she has analyzed the stock well. And what is the thing you feel why Asian Paints is growing so much? आपके analysis के हिसाब से.
So it is because the pioneers of Asian Paints have been working hard for it.
Hmm.
They bought in technology when nobody imagined it to be so important.
Hmm.
Secondly, they had this drastic change in the supply chain management, which was essential and which helped them to bring their revenues as well as the profit margins back into their businesses. So yeah, that was the main thing that they changed, and they are reaping the benefits of it till the current time.
Great. Wonderful. Okay. So if let's say if you have a starting salary of, I would assume 1 lakh rupees a month, but after your masters. So guys, she is one hell of an MBA. Let me introduce her to you. She's just on the cusp of doing her masters. She's finishing her MBA in finance. So it's very interesting for our audience to know from an MBA finance student, also dual specialization in HR. Why did you actually, this is a question which people ask. In this scenario, what made you take MBA specializing in finance, Tanya?
So since my early bachelor's days, I was very much keen with finance and stock markets and equity shares and all the investment options that are available in market today. So I always had this one feeling that yes, I want to explore this and I actually want to go through what all kinds of investments are there. And one thing that I like about investing in stocks is that you don't have to depend on your job or you don't have to go and depend on your employer. You are an independent person wherein you can, just go invest on and get back and do whatever you feel like doing.
Right.
So that is one major thing that always motivates me to increase my knowledge base in this area.
Okay. That's a very profound thought that you don't need a job, you can do it in whatever profession you are doing, or as long as you have the knowledge of it. Wonderful. So if let's say
Yes.
you have a starting salary of 60,000, how much money do you think would you like to park in stocks from a starting salary of 60,000 and moving up?
So I guess I will be investing around 40K of the entire salary that I would be receiving.
Mm-hmm.
That's because in your early 20s, it's very easy and it's very feasible to save that much amount of money. But as soon as you grow, your expenses grow with you. So it's better that at start you just go and start hard working and working hard, and then you can eventually you can invest and you can keep a pool of money ready for you, and then you can deep dive in your future.
Right. Wow. Well, you're already doing that. I can see the hard work that you're putting on networking, LinkedIn, and it's amazing. Matlab, the views that you guys have. I wish we were as half as wise as you guys when we were of we were doing our MBA. Wonderful, super clarity of thought. Investment 40,000, and like you said, the more you grow, the more the compounding works. So, how long do you think you plan to work, and how long do you think your investment? क्या होता है ना? People always ask कि sir stock double हो गया, अभी sell कर देते हैं. So, what is your holding period of investments? That's part A, and how long do you want to work? That's part B.
So part A would be I would be holding my stocks for nearly 10 years. That is because the Indian stock cycle is known to be, changing and drastically showing changes within this kind of tenure. So
Right.
yes, that would be a tenure which is not more also and not less also. You can rely a bit, or it depends on individual as well. But for
Hmm.
me, I would say yes, it will be a tenure of 10 years
Okay.
minimum. And yeah, and about part B,
Mm-hmm.
I would be retiring like till 35 to 40. That is because I would like to have and pursue my passion as well. So, like my other hobbies and traveling and all those things. So, yeah, that's my ambition as well as my goal to, retire at least by 35 to 40. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful, yeah. That sounds like a plan, and amazing plan at that. Yeah, and like you said, see, guys, she's so young, touchwood, and God bless, and she's having the clarity of thought that y'all can listen about 10 years. Where would you find people who are finishing their MBA who are ready to lock in for 10 to 15 years? Amazing. Acha, Tanya, do you prefer a SIP systematic investment plan? Let's say 40,000. अगर आप 40,000 stocks में डालते हो, which is great, awesome. होना भी चाहिए. Initially, you can take the risk and you can take diversified bets. So, 40,000 को ये तीन stocks में आप divide करते हैं and you do a regular monthly SIP, या you have a bigger portfolio जिसमें आप और 4, 5, 6 stocks डाल देंगे. What is your plan there?
So we can have a blend of both because today SIPs have an option of systematic withdrawal as well.
Yeah.
Secondly, investing as a passion is more inclined with professionals who are into the stock market. Whereas SIP is more inclined for professionals who are into different streams, who do not have much idea about finance, but they realize the importance of investments.
Hmm.
So it actually depends on your individual perspective whether you want to go for SIPs or whether you want to, just invest a lump sum amount. But both the options are viable until and unless you are very good at your research work and you're good at your knowledge. So everything works like that.
Perfect. Okay. Um, So SIP is sorted. You spoke about systematic withdrawal plan also. That's amazing. So one very quick last question. I don't want to hold you back for a long time because you've already given good amount of time. So I had the privilege of having you in our training program, Stock Talk. By the way, before I ask other question, ladies and gentlemen who are watching this program, Stock Talk is our training program. Every Sunday, 11 to 1, we come down together. We have bunch of young, experienced, mixed crowd, which we talk about stocks. We learn how to invest. So Tanya is a part of that group in the first batch, inaugural batch for this year, post pandemic, and we are starting a new batch on 22nd November. So Tanya, before we allow you to go, rather, you can just share your experience of how has it been learning about the markets with us. Any feedback or anything you have, you can share.
So I have enjoyed these sessions a lot. Firstly, while attending this, I don't feel like that I'm working on Sundays or it's a burden for me. Second thing that I would like to mention is I have, come to know, uh, I have come across various things that I didn't knew prior joining. So that was very important for me.
Right.
Like the different concepts of ROCE or ROE or RSI, all these concepts were very much clear, and I actually eventually started investing as well. So it has benefited me a lot in the long term because I feel that yes, this will add on to my experience as well as this is going to help me very much when I'm opting for new things and when I'm comparing two stocks of same industry and all
Mhm.
those things. So it was great to join the sessions and actually knowing how things work in real markets,
That's
especially
great.
the mock trading as well.
Oh yeah, the mock trading. I think we really enjoy having all of you in the market days and mock trading. Like today also we saw the markets were pretty volatile, but there is a reason for that, right? Like you said, all of us should have a holding period which is a little high. So great, Thanya. I think you've been a very good. If so, guys, if I have one person to bank on and say that this is, we are very proud to say that this is our product. This is a trained product that we have, who's sorted, who's methodical, who's analytical, and clarity of thought. Ki she would go to a Titan store. She would walk out with Titan shares. I think I would like to say that. Am I right, Tanya, or am I exaggerating?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It has been
So
pleasure to, be here, and thank
yeah,
you so much for providing the opportunities always.
pleasure. Keep going on LinkedIn. I wish JP Morgan Chase chases you literally with a job offer. And I'm very sure we all will
Thank you
work
so
hard
much,
for you. We
sir.
all will put in our effort that you guys deserve the best, you get the best. So thank you so much, Tanya. And
Thank you so much, sir.
it's a pleasure teaching you all and mentoring you all. Take care, Tanya. Thank you.
Thank you.